Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Venisse Boutique, an online fashion store that claims to offer trendy clothing at irresistible prices. But is it the real deal or just another sketchy shop? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on public information and personal opinion. At first glance, Venisse Boutique looks clean and stylish, but when you start digging deeper, some red flags pop up. The site is fairly new and I couldn't find it listed on Trustpilot, which already makes it harder to verify real customer experiences. A few people online have raised concerns mainly around super delayed shipping, generic products that don't match what's shown, or worse, no delivery at all. Others mentioned that the return policy is confusing and customer support is nearly unresponsive. The website also has a classic too good to be true pricing, which often signals a potential dropshipping site or even a scam. Venisse Boutique might not be a total scam, but it's definitely not the most trustworthy fashion site out there. If you want to try it, do so with caution, preferably with a small order and secure payment method. Have you ordered from Venisse Boutique? Drop your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.